Do you believe that just one small spoonful in your morning coffee could decide whether you stand up strong or wobble because of weak legs? It may sound unbelievable, but many people over 60 have tried it and were amazed by the results. In the United States, millions of older adults are quietly battling a hidden enemy called sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle with age. Doctors sometimes call it the disease of aging, but I like to think of it as an hourglass, slowly draining away our strength day by day. After 60, the body loses about 1% of muscle mass every year. That may sound small, but by the time you turn 70, it adds up to a whole decade of lost strength. No wonder climbing stairs, carrying groceries, or simply standing up from a chair feels harder than before. After the age of 60, our muscles gradually weaken. On average, the body loses about 1% of muscle each year. This explains why standing up, walking, or climbing stairs becomes more difficult over time. But here's the good news. Muscle loss is not a life sentence. It is not something you are forced to accept. New research shows that even one small change in your morning routine, specifically what you stir into your coffee, can slow down or even reverse this decline in strength and independence. Before I reveal the 3 powerful ingredients, let me ask you, when was the last time you climbed a flight of stairs without having to pause halfway? Or carried 2 grocery bags from the store to your car without asking for help? If it has been a while since you felt that kind of strength, then this message is truly for you. For most of us, coffee is more than just a drink. It is a companion, a ritual that has stayed with us through decades. The warmth in your hands, the gentle aroma, the quiet moment before the day begins. Coffee is woven into the story of our lives, from our working years to our family mornings, and even into retirement. That is why coffee is the perfect gateway for adding back the nourishment your muscles desperately need. Scientists describe the first hour after waking up as the anabolic window, a golden time when your body absorbs nutrients most effectively. Your muscles, after a long night of fasting, are like dry soil thirsting for water. If you miss this chance, the effect is weaker. But if you take advantage of it, even with something simple, the results can be remarkable. And caffeine itself plays a special role. It does more than wake up your mind. It opens up your circulation, improves blood flow, and acts like a highway for nutrients to reach your muscles. So when you add the right ingredient to your morning coffee, it is like putting your nutrients on a high-speed train headed straight to where they are needed most. The first ingredient is collagen peptides. Think of collagen as the glue that holds your body together. In your skin, your joints, your muscles, and even your bones. After 60, the body's natural collagen production falls sharply. That is why many people wake up stiff in the morning or feel their knees crack with every step. Collagen peptides are simply collagen broken down into smaller pieces that your body can absorb more easily. Stirred into coffee, they act like small bricks rushing straight to the weak spots, helping to repair, rebuild, and strengthen. Collagen works like glue that keeps your muscles, bones, and joints strong. Adding collagen peptides makes it easier for the body to absorb and can help you move more comfortably. I once spoke with a woman in her early 70s who loved gardening, but bending down to pull weeds always left her knees swollen. After just a few weeks of consistently adding collagen peptides to her coffee, she smiled and said, "Now I can sit, stand, and work in my garden again without pain." That was not magic. That was science working with consistency. The second ingredient is MCT oil, medium-chain triglycerides. It sounds complicated, but here's the simple picture. MCTs are a kind of smart fat. While normal fats take time to digest and often end up stored, MCTs go straight to the liver and are instantly converted into clean fuel. The result is steady energy for both your muscles and your brain, lasting for hours without the crash of sugar or excess caffeine. I remember a 68-year-old man who told me, by 11 a.m. every day I felt completely drained. But after adding just a teaspoon of MCT oil to his coffee each morning, within weeks he laughed and said, now I finish yard work and still have energy to walk with my wife, and my mind feels clearer than it has in years. That is the power of MCT oil. It fuels your muscles and sharpens your memory at the same time. MCT oil is a healthy fat. It quickly turns into clean energy, giving strength to your muscles and keeping your mind sharp throughout the day. The third ingredient is dark cocoa powder. At first glance, it seems like something for baking cakes or making hot chocolate. But in truth, it is a hidden treasure. Dark cocoa is rich in flavonoids, which relax blood vessels, improve circulation, and help oxygen and nutrients reach deep into your muscles. Even more, it contains a compound called epicatechin, which signals your body to use protein more efficiently. That means the protein you eat from eggs, fish, or beans actually gets to your muscles instead of being wasted. One man in his mid-60s told me that even a short walk around the park left him out of breath. But after just a few weeks of adding cocoa to his coffee, he noticed he could walk farther, with lighter steps and more confidence. Something so simple gave him back not only strength, but also trust in his own body. Dark cocoa contains antioxidants like flavonoids and epicatechin. These support circulation and help your body use protein more effectively to build muscle. Now, while these three ingredients form the foundation, let me share 2 extra tips that double their effectiveness. First, drink a glass of water right after waking up. Water acts like a guide, helping the nutrients flow smoothly into your body. Second, spend at least 10 minutes in the morning sun. Sunlight boosts vitamin D, which is essential for locking protein and calcium into your muscles and bones. And if you can, move your body, stretch, walk, or just roll your shoulders. Muscles are like engines. They need to be started before the fuel can reach the right place. But here is the greatest secret of all: timing and consistency. Muscle loss doesn't happen in one night. It happens little by little, every day. And in the same way, rebuilding muscle is not about one miracle cup of coffee. It is about 20, 30, 60 mornings in a row. Day after day, your body quietly responds. One morning you realize you can stand up from your chair more easily. Another week, you notice the stairs feel less daunting. Then, carrying groceries no longer leaves you exhausted. I once heard a geriatric doctor say, older adults don't lose their strength all at once. They lose it piece by piece, but they can gain it back the same way, piece by piece. That is exactly what these small habits do. They rebuild your independence one sip at a time. Of course, coffee alone is not enough. You still need a whole day of healthy living. Eat protein-rich foods like chicken, fish, beans, or Greek yogurt. Add colorful vegetables packed with antioxidants. And don't forget sleep, because muscles don't rebuild while you're working, but while you're resting. So here's the final message. Just 1 cup of coffee each morning with a scoop of collagen peptides, a spoon of MCT oil, and a spoon of dark cocoa, plus a glass of water, a little sunlight, a stretch, and patience. All of these simple steps combine to help you regain your strength, protect your independence, and rediscover the joy of moving with confidence after 60. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to be consistent. 1 cup, 1 morning, 1 habit at a time, repeated day after day. That is the secret to strength and longevity.